Imagine standing on the deck of a ship, the sea swirling with turbulent waves as a storm approaches. Now, translate this image into the realm of your finances, unpredictable challenges, unexpected hardships, and turbulent times. This is where the art of crisis budgeting comes into play, akin to the lifeboat that keeps you afloat amidst the financial tempest. Brace yourself as we embark on a journey through the intricacies of crisis budgeting, armed with insights from The Total Money Makeover by the revered Dave Ramsey, a guiding light in the world of financial resilience. Understanding crisis budgeting, foundations for financial resilience. At its core, crisis budgeting is your North Star during financial turbulence. It's not about adopting a mindset of deprivation or succumbing to the shackles of austerity. Rather, it's a strategic empowerment, an art that involves making calculated decisions to efficiently allocate your limited resources. Picture it as your compass amidst the financial whirlwind, steering you towards calmer waters. Think of it as your financial lifeboat, ensuring that even amidst the most ferocious financial storms, your essential needs remain steadfastly met. Crafting a crisis budget is akin to erecting a fortress of financial resilience. Drawing wisdom from The Total Money Makeover, Dave Ramsey stresses the pivotal significance of crafting a comprehensive budget. This budget serves as a mirror, reflecting your financial reality and enabling you to judiciously distribute your resources, particularly when faced with the tempestuous winds of adversity. Building your crisis budget, step-by-step guide. 1. Assess your situation, facing reality head-on. Much like a skilled sailor surveys the impending storm's intensity, confronting your financial reality head-on is an essential facet of crisis budgeting. It entails a clear-eyed evaluation of your current financial landscape. It's about staring down the financial squall rather than turning away from it. This process entails a meticulous examination of your income sources, a thorough tally of your existing debts, and an unflinching understanding of your essential expenses. While this might evoke discomfort, confronting the unvarnished truth about your financial standing is the initial step towards plotting a steady course towards stability. During this assessment, consider your income streams, a combination of your primary salary, any supplementary income, or government assistance. Tally up your debts, credit card balances, loans, mortgages, and any other financial obligations. Equally important is grasping your monthly expenses, housing costs, utilities, groceries, insurance, transportation, and other recurring payments. This transparent snapshot is the foundation upon which your crisis budget will rest. 2. Identify non-negotiables, the bare necessities. Envision your non-negotiable expenses as the anchor that steadies you amidst financial turbulence. These are the fundamental requirements that underpin your survival and well-being. Think of them as encompassing your shelter, utilities, sustenance, transportation, and the essential payments towards your debts. These expenses demand primary consideration, forming the bedrock upon which your crisis budget takes shape. Prioritizing these expenses before allocating resources elsewhere is paramount. As Dave Ramsey eloquently puts it, non-negotiables are the cornerstones of financial stability. They assure that your fundamental needs are consistently addressed. Delve into these non-negotiables to comprehend the intricacies of each component. For housing, consider not just rent or mortgage payments but also property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. In utilities, factor in electricity, water, gas, and communication services. Sustenance encompasses groceries, essential hygiene items, and any necessary medications. Transportation comprises not only fuel but also vehicle maintenance and public transportation costs. And, of course, include minimum debt payments to prevent accumulating further financial strain. 3. Trim discretionary spending, temporary sacrifices. Amidst the financial storm, discretionary spending morphs into a realm of temporary sacrifices. Discretionary expenses encompass non-essential spending categories, those indulgent dinners, entertainment outings, hobbies, subscriptions, and impulse purchases that can be temporarily shelved. However, this is by no means an enduring state of deprivation. Instead, it involves thoughtful decisions to temporarily curtail these expenditures. By redirecting funds from discretionary spending towards essential needs, you're adeptly navigating your financial vessel towards smoother waters. Dive into your discretionary spending with a discerning eye. Analyze your entertainment expenses, movie nights, dining out, and recreational activities that can be curtailed for the time being. Scrutinize subscriptions, streaming services, magazines, and memberships that could be put on hold. Consider scaling back on non-essential purchases, clothing, gadgets, and other items that can be postponed. This exercise isn't about renouncing enjoyment, it's about making strategic choices to weather the storm while keeping essential needs met. 4. Communicate and collaborate, family financial teamwork. Imagine weathering the storm as a cohesive crew on a ship. Similarly, involving your family members in the crisis budgeting process is both prudent and potent. Embrace open, transparent conversations about the financial situation and your priorities to foster a shared sense of purpose. Through collaborative dialogues, you can align on financial goals and collaboratively pinpoint areas where adjustments are necessary. This cooperative approach nurtures unity and shared responsibility. As Dave Ramsey emphasizes, uniting as a family financial team can forge stronger bonds and catalyze wiser financial choices. Create a comfortable space for open communication about the family's financial situation. Engage in regular family meetings to discuss the state of affairs, address concerns, and brainstorm creative solutions. Encourage each family member to contribute their insights and ideas on managing expenses and finding opportunities for savings. By involving everyone, you not only share the burden but also build a sense of collective ownership of the crisis budget. This shared understanding paves the way for more informed decisions that benefit the entire household. 5. Negotiate with creditors and service providers seeking temporary relief. Just as skillful sailors adjust their sails to navigate stormy waters, consider reaching out to your creditors and service providers when financial waves hit. Initiating conversations about your circumstances can yield unexpected solutions. Negotiating deferments, reduced interest rates, or alternative payment plans can create a space for essential breathing room. As the Total Money Makeover suggests, proactive discussions with your financial partners can unlock doors to temporary stability, guiding you towards renewed financial equilibrium. Approach your creditors and service providers with transparency and honesty. Explain your situation and express your commitment to meeting your financial obligations, even if in a modified capacity. Seek opportunities for temporary relief, such as deferring payments, adjusting interest rates, or extending deadlines. Many creditors are willing to work with individuals facing financial challenges, provided they're informed in advance. By establishing open lines of communication, you're more likely to find solutions that ease the immediate burden without exacerbating the long-term impact. 6. Explore additional income sources, bolstering your budget. Envision additional income sources as supplemental sails on your financial vessel, propelling you more efficiently through the storm. Exploring opportunities for supplementary income provides a significant uplift to your crisis budget. Whether it involves part-time work, freelancing ventures, or selling unused items, these income streams contribute to your financial robustness. Dave Ramsey's wisdom aligns perfectly here. Diversifying your income not only reinforces your financial foundation but also instills a sense of empowerment and reassurance. Diving into additional income sources requires proactive thinking and resourcefulness. Assess your skills, talents, and available resources to identify potential income streams. Consider freelance work within your area of expertise, utilizing online platforms to showcase your skills. Explore the gig economy for temporary or remote work opportunities. If you have unused items lying around, consider selling them online or through local platforms. This approach not only injects funds into your crisis budget but also broadens your skill set and widens your network, a strategic investment for both the short and long term. Maintaining your crisis budget, staying resilient and adaptable. Sustaining a crisis budget requires more than a one-time endeavor. It's an ongoing practice in financial resilience. Much like experienced mariners alter their course based on shifting winds, regularly reviewing and adjusting your crisis budget is crucial. Life's currents remain in perpetual motion, and your budget must harmonize with these changes. Whether confronting fresh challenges, uncovering unexpected opportunities, or observing shifts in your financial terrain, cultivating adaptability ensures your crisis budget remains relevant. This commitment to fluidity serves as the bedrock of unwavering financial stability. In the face of adversity, crisis budgeting empowers you to remain steadfast. Remember that prioritizing essential expenses, making temporary sacrifices, and being proactive in your financial decisions are your allies. Crisis budgeting isn't just about weathering storms, it's about creating a foundation for enduring financial resilience. And as you navigate the seas of uncertainty, let the insights from the Total Money Makeover guide you toward the shores of financial triumph. This video is for educational purposes only. Consult a financial professional before making decisions. Individual situations vary. Creators not liable for actions taken. Seek personalized advice.